Hi YouTube, how's it going? Hey guys, I know you guys probably been wondering where I've been. I've been gone for like 4 months. I know, it's really bad. But just been going through a lot medically and mentally, spiritually. So had to just step back and really figure out what I really wanted this channel to be about. So I decided what I'm going to do is really go back to my first love, which was interior design. That's really what my background is in. And I'm just ready to kind of get out of the rut a little bit and just really revamp, just refresh, and just start again. You know, it's very easy for people to think, it's too late for me. I can't start over. And it's like, yes, you can start over. You can start fresh. You can redo it. So the first project on the list, I have several home projects that I need to work on right now. My house is about 100 years old. And there's many things that we've switched around in the house. My husband and I, that's my cat. He sneezed, bless you. And so first thing I want to do is really just revamp my office. This is my office currently. So I'm just going to pan the camera a little bit. So that's a bookcase, shelving. You know, you've probably seen this background a few times here. Background storage and stuff. This is the front of the house. This is our sunroom. So we have some cat stuff here and everything. We have an air conditioner because this space is not conditioned at all. So we have that here. You know, it's really nice. It's a really nice setup. Of course, cameras and, the pedestal and everything else. That's my desk right over there. Yeah, and we have a heater in here too. Because it gets cold during winter, especially for the little kitties, right? Right, guys? Yeah, they're just begging for food right now. So, yeah, so that's essentially, oh, that's real close. That's essentially what I'm going to work on. So I'm revamping this. So this space is actually going to turn into a guest space. Like my husband and I, we don't always have a lot of guests. And yes, that was the front door, but honestly, it's my house. Like we don't walk through the front door. We go through the back. So anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. But yeah, so we don't have a lot of guests that come over. We usually have it in big spurts. So this will be a really good space for that. So let me show you where the new office is going to be. All right, so now we are in the guest space. So just a quick look of what it looks like right now. So as you come over here, this is the guest room. That's the TV, some storage stuff. Yeah, that's stuff for our boat seats over there, and the bed. Yeah, those are my karate belts and everything. So yes, and this room right over here, that's the half bathroom. So I'll have my own bathroom too, so that'll be nice. And then over here, treadmill. It's not a hanging rack yet over there, and there's the boat closet over there. So essentially what I'm thinking for that, and I'll show you some of the drawings, is essentially my desk is going to go where the TV is right now. Sorry guys, this angle's pretty bad. And then where the bed is right now, my husband and I are thinking about using the space as additional studio as well to record video. So going to get a bookcase right over here against this wall, another one here, and I'm probably going to wall mount the TV above here. Probably definitely going to get a smaller one because this one is ginormous. So yeah, so just really maximizing the space here for that. So but yeah, there's a lot of things that need to get done on here, especially the ceiling. The ceiling sucks. They have popcorn ceiling on it. It's old, it's dingy, it's gross. So I have that project to work on. The ceiling fan is ugly, to say the least. So I need to switch that out and everything. And then honestly, it's really just a matter of, again, the furniture in here, the color is perfect, and everything else. So it's just a matter of getting that fixed up. So, so yeah, so that's really the first project on my list. Well, before I could get to this, there's several things I have to do before getting everything around. So I think the next few videos what I'll do is just really go ahead and set those up. You know, just really show you guys like a series of interior design things, some projects I want to work on the house and things like that. I think that's the direction I'm going to go to. And honestly, you know, just like I mentioned with like the mental health stuff and, you know, the medical stuff, it's like I really need to slow down and really find those things that really made me me, and, you know, finding out what makes me me, right? Like rediscovering who I am again. You know, not saying all the other things wasn't me, but it wasn't a developed version of me yet, if that makes sense to you. So I really just want to get back to the basics and just really start exploring those avenues, those things that I've kind of put on the back burner, but it was always me, you know. I'm sure there's many of you who have gone through that, trying to figure out like, who am I, you know? Yes, I'm like 33, I'm still asking that question. And I think as you get older, that question doesn't ever go away, you know? There's always a new chapter, there's a new level of things. Anything with like medical things that come as is like, well, that's a new chapter. I got to figure out what that means for me and things like that. So, but yeah, honestly, I just decided to pick up the camera today. I haven't picked it up in quite some time, you know, but I just felt like once the feeling spurs me, just go ahead and do it. Okay, YouTube, so here is the current space of where my new office is going to be. So essentially, this setup is going to go in the current office, which is the sunroom, and then my desk is going to be up here. Then I have bookcases, TV is going to be well mounted there, things like that. This over here is just a mess that we have to figure out. So yeah, just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what the space looks like right now. As far as what we're going to do, I decided not to touch the ceiling today. At least for right now. I have too many other things going on, especially with my actual job, and time is limited. So I just really want to go ahead and get my desk set up. And honestly, when I'll be filming in here, that shouldn't be in the shop. So yes, okay, we're just going to stay here, not up here. Here, not here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and check back in a little bit later when we get a little bit further. All right, we are back. We're hot and sweaty because of moving all this furniture. So I got my bookcase in, got my desk set up, kinda, not really, it's really temporal. So but yeah, so it's in here, at least so I can see what my space actually looks like and everything. Again, excuse this mess, it'll probably be here for a while, but yeah, that part's done. Thank you guys for taking a look at it. I greatly appreciate you. So I will see you on the next one. Bye.